Vitaly Laletin must be thinking why people are not giving him any chances to win against Michael, especially the elite level arm wrestlers. They all think that the match will stop, and they all think that once the match stops, Vitaly wouldn't be able to do anything against Michael. After all, in the recent years, Vitaly has a better super match record than Michael Todd, and he has a better performance against their common opponent Hermes Gasparini. And maybe that's why during their recent interview, Vitaly was setting up Michael for a challenge. First, he asked Michael when was he flash pinned, then he asked Michael when was he pinned without the straps, and then he asked Michael what his grip strength is. And then naturally after that, both Engin and Michael started saying that crushing grip strength, which Vitaly has a lot of, is irrelevant to arm wrestling. It isn't going to matter that much. At least Michael was saying that strength is not a weakness. If he was also given an opportunity to have more grip strength, he would gladly have it. But despite that, it won't matter that much on the table. Then Vitaly, I would say, almost challenged Michael Todd. He said once it's time for ready go, Michael will realize that this grip strength matters, especially against guys who are trying to get a slip. I mean, if you are Vitaly, you must be feeling proud of yourself, because there is literally no one in this world, including Levan Saginashvili, who wouldn't go backwards trying to get a slip against Vitaly. Nobody. Trust me, nobody is coming forward at Vitaly Laletin. Even if that guy is Levan Saginashvili, or even if it is someone who has a hook style, an inside arm wrestler, they all will be going backwards. They all will be trying to slip against Vitaly. And that's what Michael thinks he can easily do in this match. But Vitaly has other plans which he would like to show us on match day. In order to prepare for this match, he had his last heavy training session both on the table and in the gym with Artyom Morozov, and that was on last Friday. Just like Michael, Vitaly also said that this is not his best form. His best form will be in the future. We haven't seen the best Vitaly Laletin yet. Vitaly acknowledges that Michael is going to be very dangerous in the defensive position, but the match won't stop there. It will be a flash pin, and even if somehow it gets stopped there, he won't be just going sideways, bending his own wrist back and getting out of gas. It won't happen. He will stand back up, adjust his position, and then hit again. That's why he thinks there is no way Michael is going to win this match. If Michael is underestimating Vitaly Laletin, it could be the worst mistake of his arm wrestling career. Thanks for watching, like the video, and I'll see you again.